Okay, I got the steering wheel mounted, got all that done. All I got to do is bolt it up. Spider web, got this built. Spider webs. Throttle linkage. Piece of 1/4 inch round, solid round from Tractor Supply, and threaded the ends. Made that. Works great now. Shouldn't have no problem with that. Then I've been working on the windshield frame, building that. Built the frame out of this 1/2 inch square tubing. I cut one side of it out with a cutoff wheel on a side grinder to make a channel. Then took a flat wheel and put in there and smoothed it all up. And this here's 18 gauge sheet metal. I cut some 1/2 inch strips of that. Kind of what it looks like. This here comes apart, these screws. So the glass company can put the glass in. You take a couple of these screws out and this top piece comes out. And they can put the glass in and then with the urethane epoxy around it and put this piece back in. And I got me some little bolt holes to mount it. Now I got to take it apart, hang it up and paint it, and get ready to bring it to the glass shop. This here, as you see, this piece of 1/2 inch here is curved a little bit, and when of course it's kind of hard to take a straight piece. Let me show you how I did that. Yeah, you see this piece here is pretty straight. And to make the piece on the frame, I needed to curve it a little bit, so I don't have a shrinker or stretcher, so I stretch it with this, like this. I don't know if you see it or not, but that little bit right there, I already got it started curving. So you see where I started curving, just that little bit of hammering. But anyway, that's the way I made the curve piece for the bottom of the windshield. But anyway, windshield frame goes in. Right there like so. Then it's going to screw to the 1-inch tubing. I got to drill holes and tap them into that all the way around. So now I go ahead and build my dash panels. Got to get the windshield frame painted up, ready to go to the glass shop, and I can go ahead and build the dash panels. I hadn't figured out yet where I'm going to put the battery. I was thinking maybe back in the corner over there, or maybe up in the cowl on the other side, up high, so you can still put your feet up underneath it if you needed to. That'd probably be the best place because it'd be kind of a little bit hidden back there. Back in this corner here, it'd be like sticking out like a sore thumb. And I don't think I got room on the side of the motor. I don't want it there anyway. I wouldn't want it there because I want this to me, a hot rod is all about the engine, how the engine looks. That's what my favorite part of a hot rod is, the engine. A V8 engine, it just looks so cool, the old school engines anyway. The LS engines I don't think look so cool because they got too many wires and all that stuff is, I mean this here to me looks cool. I don't want no battery out here to screw up that look. So yeah, probably up in the cowl there for the battery. I don't know yet. Nowhere underneath it back here, I didn't check. It's nowhere underneath this panel anywhere the battery will fit. I don't think. Don't think it is. Yep. That's what we got so far. Hadn't been working on it a lot here lately. Been doing other things as usual. As you can see, she's rusting up, still rusting up pretty good. Hey, it won't be too many more weeks, so we'll be getting some paint on it. Won't be long. Alright, that's what I got. Windshield frame's made. A couple days messing around to build that. Could have done it one day if I worked hard at it. Anyway, appreciate you. See you next time.